A doctor reveals. Just add cinnamon to the onion peel. Warning! This onion peel recipe is shocking the pharmaceutical industry and can transform your health in just a few days. You are about to discover one of the most ignored natural secrets by the media, and the most incredible one. You probably have all the ingredients right there in your kitchen right now. Stop everything and answer me. Do you suffer from high glucose that seems uncontrollable? Do you often feel your blood pressure is out of balance or have trouble losing weight? Even after trying everything, researchers from the University of Manchester have proven the combination of onion peel with cloves and cinnamon has surprising effects. It reduces blood sugar by up to 50%. A study published in the Nutrition Research Journal helps stabilize blood pressure naturally and activates rapid abdominal fat burning. Take 2 onion peels. The more outer and dry, the better. We'll remove the peels with the help of a knife. If the peel is brittle, it indicates a high concentration of quercetin. Several scientific studies have already proven that onion peel is one of the most natural sources of quercetin, a flavonoid with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action. In the body, quercetin acts as a natural regulator of blood pressure, helping dilate blood vessels and controlling mild to moderate hypertension. Add half a spoon of cinnamon from Ceylon. Common cinnamon contains harmful toxins. Ceylon cinnamon regulates blood sugar and increases metabolism by up to 20%. Add 7 whole cloves. Never use powdered cloves. Cloves are rich in eugenol, a compound with antioxidant action and blood sugar control. Now add 3 fresh bay leaves. They reduce hidden inflammation and improve circulation, helping with blood pressure. Stir everything very well. Transfer to a pot and add 500 ml of water. Boil for exactly 8 minutes, the ideal time to release the active compounds. Turn off the heat and cover for 5 minutes. The steam conserves the essential oils. Strain with a sieve and pour into a glass. Drink warm before 10 a.m., the time when the liver metabolizes most. If you take medication for diabetes or high blood pressure, consult your doctor. This recipe is so powerful that it may require dosage adjustments. Share it with someone you love. It may be the solution they have been waiting for years. Come back here in 3 days to tell me the result. Your story could inspire thousands. Tomorrow I will reveal the secret of eggshells with lemon. Get ready, and if you still think this is just another homemade recipe, think honestly. How many expensive medicines have you taken that didn't work? This mixture costs pennies and is changing lives. Now answer me honestly. Did you already know the power of onion peel to control diabetes and high blood pressure, or was this a surprise to you? Comment below only with the word Mubiphaser if you're going to test this recipe, and if you know someone who urgently needs this, tag them right now. This simple act could transform their life.